So when we talk about a design, okay, there are three objectives. So whenever you present something, either people will say yes, they'll say no, or they will say wow. Okay, with any kind of a visual designing. So let it be you as a person who's going to present your design to a client. Let it be you as a visualizer who want to present your thoughts into a design elements. So there cannot be anything third. Okay, either they say yes, they say no, they say wow. And wow is that what we all are aiming for. And in this today's session, we are going to put up our journey towards making our communication go from thought, जो हमारे दिमाग में है, to present it up into design format so that people say wow out of it. So designing, what I understand, being in the industry for almost like 20 years, designing is not a profession, but it's an attitude. कि आप किस एटीट्यूड के साथ में अपने थॉट को प्रेजेंट करते हो, तो आपका एटीट्यूड प्रेजेंट होना बहुत जरूरी है. दूसरा चीज आता है, HubSpot का एक कोट लिया हुआ है, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ द कोट, बट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू फिलोसॉफीज, ना ही मैं आपको कोई थ्योरेटिकल सेशन पे लेके जाना चाहता हूँ. डिजाइन इज इंटेलिजेंस बीइंग मेड विजिबल. आपका जो इंटेलिजेंस है, आपका जो थॉट है, आपका जो कम्युनिकेशन है, उस चीज को आप विजिबली कैसे प्रेजेंट करोगे, वो चीज के ऊपर हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं. तो जब आती है बात डिजाइनिंग की, तो डिजाइनिंग हमको लगता क्या है? आई थिंक डिजाइनिंग हमको हर जगह पे लगता है. हमको पर्सनल लेवल पे डिजाइनिंग लगता है. वी नीड अ डिजाइनिंग एट आवर पर्सनल लेवल, जहां पे वेयर इन वी वांट टू विश समवन अ मैरिज एनिवर्सरी और प्रोबेबली बर्थडेज, और वी वांट टू क्रिएट अवर फैमिली कोलाज और कोलैटरल्स ओवर देयर, या हम लोगों को अपने कुछ वीडियोस है जिनको कंपाइल करना है. सो वन ऑफ द थिंग व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू today is not a video editing part, but if you already have a video, so how do you compile your video into a designing so that it becomes an awesome design, and you don't have to spend a single penny doing that. Mind it, you don't have to pay a single penny doing that particular thing. So your video compilation through a designing. Second thing is, we also have to send a lot of invites, let it be birthday invites or housewarming invite, or office invite, or whatever kind of an invitations, so at personal level, which we are going to do it today. Second thing is, we at personal level or at a professional level manage our social media. Let it be Facebook, let it be Instagram, let it be Twitter, or let it be any kind of a platform, or LinkedIn also. So we will today discuss upon how to create a designs which are worth enough to go on social media and create a wow impression in front of your audiences. Second thing, we have kids who gets lot of project from their schools, from their colleges, wherein they need to present the design either in form of JPEG or GIF, or probably in form of videos or in form of PPTs. Yeah, they have to present their case studies, their white papers, or their assignments. So we will discuss on that kind of a thing. Are you okay? So keeping the engagement on, यही चीज अगर आप सुनना चाहते हो तो just keep in yes over there. इसके अलावा कुछ आप समझना चाहते हो, just type in what is that you are expecting from there, whatever I had not pointed. Right? So this is what you are here for, and this is what we are going to teach. Second thing is how to create your own personal portfolio. So I might be a photographer, I might be a fashion designer, I might be a blogger, I might be running a company. Okay, and when I run a company, I need to create my company portfolio. I need to send a PDF. Client says, please send me a portfolio, please send me a company profile, and we have to spend thousands of rupees to approach a designer to get this done. And even when we submit thousands of rupees over there, what we see over there is we don't get the kind of output. Even if we get a kind of output what we expect, it takes loads of times and lots of time in terms of the coordination. So by presenting this situation, presenting this particular scenario, presenting this particular session, what I'm trying to do is I am creating a competition for myself by creating you. But I'm absolutely okay, because at the end of the day, the entire campaign is going across moving from local to vocal. Okay, so I want everyone to be vocal and creatively vocal. So we spoke what we do with design at a personal level. Now we'll discuss about at a professional level. Though quite a lot of things also gets repeated over there, but at a business level we have to make a lot of business proposal. जो commercial proposal quotation हमारे client के पास में जाते हैं, if that quotation doesn't look, because that's a final document, by looking at it, client is going to give you an order. But if your final presentation is not good, believe me, we are attracting client to negotiate with us. So PowerPoint presentation at multiple level, at company credential level, at presenting at why customers should select me, or probably presenting your portfolio, presenting your case studies, presenting your design, whatever at your own personality. We have to make lots of wow looking presentation. We have to make lot of brochures. I already discussed with you. Second thing is we have to make lot of Facebook page images, profile, Instagram images, YouTube cover pictures, LinkedIn cover pictures, and whatnot. We have to create a lot of templates which we can send it up across to our audiences over emails, over WhatsApp, and multiple mediums. Second thing is people who are, so Priyanka Mane, we won't talk renting. Renting is a part of a video. Okay, but we will discuss about the graphic integration of a video which is already created. So we also have to create our resumes. So people who are public speakers, who have to go and speak at different forums. As an organization head, when you have to present your team. So we have to be creative with all different elements. So that is what we are going to discuss upon today. Now we'll just discuss upon an ROI of what you paid for today's session compared to what you are going to get. So when you design a logo, okay, logo designing charges starts from 5,000 rupees to 55,000 rupees. Do you agree? This is what is the cost. PowerPoint presentation, when you approach any professional, they will charge you somewhere between 5,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees. Yeah, someone says Wipro also pays 5 crore rupees for logos. So those are the different sets of the people. So we will not talk on that. But at our general level, at our own proprietary level of the business, at our partnership level of the businesses, at our small level of the businesses, or micro small industries. So these are the typical pricing which generally we pay. We pay for brochure 8,000 rupees, for social media post. We typically pay 500 rupees to 3,000 rupees for creating a single post. For pamphlet, we pay 800 to 5,000 and multiple such kind of thing. Okay, so I won't take too much of the time. So when it comes on to any design, okay, so someone said you paid 5,000 rupees, so that's when I say you. So generally that's the kind of amount what we pay for getting this kind of a design done. So when we start a journey for a design, first thing we have to really understand is what is my application. When I talk about application, मतलब ये होता है कि ये कहाँ पे जाएगा, किस फॉर्मेट में जाएगा और किन लोगों के लिए जाएगा. Okay, so that's one of the thing which you have to keep it into mind. Second thing is ये जो design है मेरा, who's going to look up at it, who's your audience? Because if we don't know who's my audience and we create a design, we will fail. So if your product goes for a kids, उसका design funky होना चाहिए. If your product or services goes for an corporates, वो थोड़ा professional होना चाहिए. When it goes for B2C kind of thing, वो mix of funky and mix of corporate हो सकता है. Okay, तो audience define करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. And with audience, we have to also define objective. कि with this creative, what is that I am trying to achieve? दूसरा चीज होता है कि इसके references. So whenever we design anything, so we are not an Apple कि हमको innovate करना है. Good if you want to innovate, but majority of the time we take up the reference and using this reference we build up. Do you all agree that we generally start all our journey with references? If you say, so I generally ask you yes, because I get a time to sip in a water also. Yeah. Second thing is layouting define करना पड़ता है because different designs require different layout. Okay, कई का layout आपका छोटा होता है, कहीं पे square होता है, कहीं पे vertical होता है, brochures के, तो ये अलग अलग टाइप के layouts होते हैं. So today I will teach you कि layout को भी आपको कैसे fix करना है. And believe me one thing, in this entire session, by the end of the session you will understand कि आपको कोई technical knowledge की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई high level of ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, विजुअल डिजाइनिंग के थियोरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. तो आज हम लोग वही दिखाएंगे जो बिकेगा. दूसरा चीज होता है फॉन्ट मेरा कौन सा होना चाहिए, इमेज के लेआउट्स कैसे होने चाहिए. योर इमेज शुड आल्सो गेट बैलेंस, बिकॉज इफ योर इमेज डजंट गेट बैलेंस, सो वन ऑफ द कॉमन मिस्टेक व्हिच मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल मेक हियर इज दे डिजाइन okay any application with multiple fonts, multiple color, multiple sizes. So it creates a lot of havoc. Your design becomes very busy, and when your design becomes very busy, जो आप एक सिंगल चीज कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हो, you lose out on that particular element. So we will today learn social media creative, how to make poster designing कैसे करना है, how to make an event invitation cards, PowerPoint presentation, embedding video into a design, greetings के डिजाइन कैसे बनाते हैं, कंपनी प्रोफाइल आप कैसे बनाते हो, हाउ टू मेक इंफोग्राफिक. नो, इंफोग्राफिक इज वन ऑफ द वेरी बिग थिंग विच इज ट्रेंडिंग. इंफोग्राफिक्स का मतलब ये होता है कि आप एक ही डिजाइन के अंदर में ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, नंबर रिप्रेजेंटेशन, पाई चार्ट, बार चार्ट, और ये सारी चीजों को आप इंफोग्राफिक तरीके से दिखाना चाहते हो. एंड द प्लेटफॉर्म जिसके ऊपर मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगा, you will just have to ignite a designer in you, which is the theme of our event, because you will get thousands of the design references. आपको उन डिजाइन रेफरेंसेस को यूज करके अप्लाई करना होगा अपना डिजाइनिंग, and you will be able to roll out your designs. So who are the people in today's session? Students, couple of people who are working from home, housewives, sales and marketing professionals, solo entrepreneur, जो लोग अपना बिजनेस खुद अकेले ही चलाते हैं, स्टार्टअप्स, रिटेलर्स. Okay, so these are the sets of people. Please tag in into a chat box if you are from any other segment other than what I have mentioned. Or does it cover everything? So does this audience which I had identified and what you are, does it gets aligned? So it applies to almost, yes. So I won't wait for the thing. So in order to begin with our journey, now we will directly move on to our application part of it. Okay. So today I will expose you to a platform called Canva. Okay. So Canva is a platform which is a cloud-based collaborative platform. जहां पे तो किसी ने लिखा है होम ऑटोमेशन, यस यू आर अ कंपनी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस. तो कैनवा प्लेटफॉर्म पे आज हम लोग जाएंगे, और ये कैनवा प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वी विल डिजाइन पोस्टर्स, विल डिजाइन बर्थडे इनवाइट, वी विल डिजाइन सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट, कंपनी प्रोफाइल, ईमेल मार्केटिंग डिजाइन, पर्सनल पोर्टफोलियो और रेज्यूम्स, एंड मल्टीपल थिंग. आई डोंट वांट टू लिस्ट डाउन एवरीथिंग ओवर हियर, but by and large this is what we're going to do. So I will now directly jump onto the Canva. So I'll have to stop a screen sharing, and again I'll start with a screen sharing over here. Okay, so when you want to start with a website, I'll just also type in that also. The website is called Canva. Are you able to see the screen? Can you see screen? Okay, please note down this website. It's called Canva. So someone said my voice, so Gunjan from my office is saying, is my voice audible to you? Perfect. So when you go onto this platform for the first time, it asks you to sign up. Okay, so there are two mechanisms of signing up. Most of the time these days people don't sign up individually. मतलब ये होता है कि लोग अपने ईमेल के साथ साइन अप नहीं करना चाहते हैं, because you don't want to remember your Facebook password or your Google password. Fantastic. So people don't want to remember different platform के अलग-अलग email ID, अलग-अलग username और password के लिए. So what you should typically try to do is you sign up with your Google or Facebook, क्योंकि ये application आपके Chrome browser में already installed है. Okay, so I will sign up with the Google. So when I sign up with Google, it just asks me to submit in my credentials. Okay, sign up Google के, because क्योंकि मैं इस वक्त में I am on my incognito mode, तो it's asking me for username password, तो मैं अपना username password डाल रहा हूँ. Then it asks me to move on to the password, because base part क्या होता है, you are not registering in those platform, but you are only registering on this particular platform through Google details which you already have with you. ओके तो तो जब आप पासवर्ड डाल देते हो इसके साथ में, तो क्या हो जाता है, यू आर इन फॉर द रजिस्ट्रेशन. जस्ट अ मिनट. I think it's just taking some more time. Okay. So the moment you come on this particular platform, this is your home screen. ओके अगर आप ऊपर में ब्राउजर में देखोगे तो इसका एड्रेस लिखा हुआ है canva.com/templates. ओके canva.com/template पे जाने के बाद में आपको मल्टीपल कैटेगरीज दिखती है इसके साथ में. आर यू एबल टू सी दिस कैटेगरीज? इज द स्क्रीन क्लियर टू यू? तो someone has asked me, is this Google password or a different? See, आपको इसके लिए अलग पासवर्ड डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपके गूगल के लॉगिन क्रीडेंशियल्स के साथ में आप रजिस्टर करते हो. इनफैक्ट इसमें पासवर्ड डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आपका गूगल आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके जाता है. लेट मी डू वन थिंग फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. मैं अपने आप को सबसे पहले साइन आउट कर लेता हूं. ओके एंड which means that my account is created. Now I want to log on to this account. So now I'm saying login with Google. So when I log in with Google, what's going to happen is asking me choose account. So I might have multiple Google account, but I am using my corporate email account or my company email account to log in. So I'm saying ashish@icap.co.in. So once I click on it, what do you see? I had directly logged in into the application. So once I am at this login screen, okay, it gives me lots of templates. ये recommended आपको दे रहा है कि आपको अगर visiting card बनाना है, so we'll just browse through this. So it gives me a template for designing a visiting card, for designing a video, infographics. अगर आपका कोई A4 document आपको quarterly report present करनी है, if you want to make a presentation, that's PPT. If you want to make a visiting card, or if you want to make a greeting cards, if you want to make a calendars, if you want to make posters, if you want to make brochures, logos, Instagram post, Facebook post, invitation, Facebook cover page, flyers, your story, photo collage, resumes, YouTube का thumbnail अगर आपको बनाना हो, या आपको blog के cover page बना, so multiple things are available. We will jump onto one particular section right now. Okay, so I will say first that I want to make a visiting card. Okay, so I click on my visiting card. So now I get loads of templates. So if you look up at it, so there are loads of templates of designing a visiting card. So you might discuss, you might decide, you might select which particular template or theme suits you. So take an example. I want to select this theme. So what I'm doing is I clicked on it and I said apply both the pages. What do you get? You get a preloaded page. Okay, so someone felt that I want to do this particular design and you got this particular design, but this is a theme, this is a layout. Okay, but you don't want to use this image, you want to use probably your image. So choice is that अब मैं दो तीन तरीके से करूंगा. I want to use image, I don't want to use the image. So let's do one thing, let's first select I don't want to use the image. तो मैंने जैसे डिलीट कर दिया, I got this over there. But what I want to do is I want to use a background. So I select this as a background. जहां पे येलो थीम के साथ में मेरा विजिटिंग कार्ड डिजाइन हो रहा है, और I select this color. At any given point of time you feel I am going fast, please stop me. So Canva is not a paid website. So you say, is Canva a paid website? If yes, then how much does one pay? जो मैं आपको इनिशियल लेवल का बोल रहा हूं, नथिंग इज चार्जेबल ओवर देयर. द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस, तो मार्केटिंग 4.0 के जितने भी मैं सेशन ले रहा हूं, इसमें मैं आपको सबसे पहले वो प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर लेके जा रहा हूं जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. इफ यू वांट टू यूज द एडवांस्ड फीचर, yes, you have to pay, but right now in order to start with your journey you don't have to pay one thing, but believe me, 80% of the थिंग्स विच आई एम डिस्कसिंग विथ यू, यू डोंट हैव टू पे. यस, कुछ क्रिएटिव पोस्ट होते हैं, हाई लेवल विजुअल होते हैं, इट्स नॉट अल्टरनेटिव टू दैट सर्टनली, बट आपका जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट गेट्स सर्व्ड विद दैट. आई विल मूव ऑन टू द सेशन. तो अभी एक ऑप्शन ये है जहां पे मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड के साथ में अपना विजिटिंग कार्ड डिजाइन करना चाहता हूं. तो मैंने यहां पे भी ये लिया है. I want to use a background on this also, so I select this. But I don't want to use it with background. I want to make it more colorful. So what I do here is I want to add my photograph. So how do I add my photograph? So I won't add my photograph. Okay, let me use a photograph of Narendra Modi. So I go to image. I select any of the creative. So you might select your image also. So I go, मैं इमेज को कॉपी कर लेता हूं, या मैं इसको डाउनलोड भी कर सकता हूं. ओके, और मैं यहां पे आके इमेज को सीधा आया पेस्ट कर दिया. ओके, कमांड वी के साथ पेस्ट कर लेता हूं. अब मैं इस इमेज को खींच लेता हूं. तो ये क्या हुआ, जैसे हमने पहले देखा था, ये इमेज के साथ सेट हो गया. अब आप ये देख रहे हो इसके साथ में आपका नंबर विजिबल नहीं है. तो नंबर विजिबल करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, बिकॉज इसका बैकग्राउंड ये, तो आई विल यूज अ कलर कॉल्ड व्हाइट. तो ये व्हाइट कलर ले लिया. अब मेरे को लगता है ये मेरे को यहाँ पे रखना है, और ये, तो ये अगर आप देखोगे तो ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप के साथ सब चीज हो. आपको लगता है ये मेरे को लाइन यूज करनी है, ये लाइन मेरे को यूज नहीं करनी है, इट्स योर चॉइस. आप इसको इस रेंज के तरीके से सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए. सो आई एम टाइपिंग माई नेम हियर. ओके, अब मेरे को लगता है इसको मेरे को थोड़ा ऊपर लेके जाए. तो अगर आप ये देखोगे तो सिर्फ ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप के साथ में चल रहा है, नो टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टाइज रिक्वायर्ड. अब मैं ये नाम के साथ में देखना चाहता हूं कि हाउ डज दिस लुक्स विथ टू कलर्स. तो मैं ये दोनों को सिलेक्ट कर सकता हूं. जब मैं ये सिलेक्ट करता हूं तो मैं एक कलर लगा लेता हूं इसको. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, आई वांट टू यूज दिस कलर. येलो इन जनरल इज माय फेवरेट कलर, तो मैं ये कलर के साथ यूज कर रहा हूं. ओके, तो यू विल सी दिस डिजाइन लुक्स लाइक दिस. Am I making sense? Are you getting this until now? अब ये तो नरेंद्र मोदी हो गया, अच्छा दिख रहा है. तो क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेड नहीं यार नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ नीचे मेरे को आपके फोटोग्राफ, खुद के फोटोग्राफ सही चाहिए. तो एक काम करते हैं, हम लोग एक आदमी सेलिब्रिटी का फोटो उठा लेते हैं. छोड़ दो, मैं अपना ही फोटो ले लेता हूं. So I want to use this photograph. Okay, don't look how good or bad I look, but it's just for the demo purpose. I want to show it to you. अब मैं ये फोटो को जाके डिलीट कर देता हूं, और मैं यहाँ पे आके अपना दूसरा फोटो को पेस्ट कर दिया. मैं फोटो के रेजोल्यूशन को बढ़ा लेता हूं. बट नेचुरल आपका फोटो थोड़ा सा कॉम्पैक्ट भी चाहिए होगा, उस तरीके से भी चाहिए. अगर मेरा फोटो प्रॉपर है तो मैं इसको खींच भी सकता हूं. ओके, और मेरे को लगता है कि ये फोटो को मेरे को इस तरीके से दिखाना है, तो मैं इसको थोड़ा अलग रेजोल्यूशन से ले सकता हूं. या आइडियली आई कैन, मैं कंट्रोल जेड जब कर रहा हूं तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू इज, मैं एक तरफ में ये फोटो डाल रहा हूं, दूसरी तरफ मेरे को लगता है कि नहीं, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू यूज माय लोगो, कि मेरा लोगो भी आना चाहिए इसके साथ में. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसके अंदर में मेरा लोगो यहाँ पे सेव हो रहा है कई जगह पे. एक मिनट, या मेरा लोगो कहीं तो भी पड़ा हुआ है. टेक एन एग्जांपल, आई हैव दिस लोगो, सॉरी. तो आई विल यूज एक पीएनजी का लोगो आपने लेना चाहिए, पीएनजी का. और इसमें वापस से अगर आप देखोगे तो डेस्कटॉप पे मेरा एक लोगो पड़ा हुआ है. मैं इस लोगो को ड्रैग कर रहा हूं, और मैं अपने उस पेज के ऊपर जा रहा हूं जहां पे मेरे को लाना है, एंड आई एम पुटिंग अप द लोगो. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस लोगो भी यहाँ पे आ गया. मैंने लोगो को शॉर्ट कर लिया, और इस जगह पे मेरा लोगो आ गया. अब ये लोगो शायद इस कलर के साथ पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इज, आई वांट टू यूज दिस कलर. क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे आप देखोगे मेरा नाम चला गया है, बिकॉज माई नेम वॉज ऑल्सो इन येलो कलर. तो आई माइट लाइक टू यूज, आइदर मेरे को अपने नेम को चेंज करना पड़ेगा कलर्स को. तो मैं इस कलर को अपना व्हाइट कलर कर देता हूं. सो हियर इज माई एंटायर कंपाइलेशन ऑफ द थिंग. ओके, हमने दो तरीके की इमेज के साथ में बात की है. अब अगर आपका एक इमेज बहुत प्रॉपर है, तो व्हाट आई कैन प्रोबेबली लाइक टू डू इज, मैं इस इमेज को रिप्लेस करता हूं फुल इमेज के साथ में चलता हूं. ये इमेज का रेजोल्यूशन सही नहीं था, इसकी वजह से ये इस तरीके से आए। बट अगर आपका इमेज का रेजोल्यूशन सही है तो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल प्रोबेबली ट्राई टू यूज दिस इमेज। तो यह मल्टीपल परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन। अब ये इमेज अगर आप देख रहे हो तो इसके साथ में फ्लिप हो रहा है, तो इसके साथ में एक और चीज होता है विच इज कॉल्ड फ्लिप इमेज, मतलब आप इस इमेज को फ्लिप कर रहे हो। फ्लिप इमेज मतलब मिरर इमेज। अब यहाँ पे आप देखोगे वापस से मेरा नाम नहीं दिख रहा है बिकॉज उसका कलर व्हाइट के साथ में, तो आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस एंड आई एम कलर चेंजिंग द कलर टू सम अदर कलर। तो ये बहुत टेक्निकल चीज नहीं है और दिस बिकेम माय क्रिएटिव। अब मैं यहाँ पे आके मैं अपना एड्रेस लिखना चाहता हूं, तो आई वॉन्ट टू राइट माई नेम एज आशीष डालिया, CEO and Chief Strategist। ओके, अब मेरे को अपना मोबाइल नंबर लिखना है, तो मैं यहां पे आके अपना मोबाइल नंबर लिख देता हूं। तो मेरा मोबाइल नंबर आ गया। यहां पे आके मेरे को अपना ईमेल लिखना, EML, तो मेरा ईमेल एड्रेस आ गया। अब नाउ इट्स माय चॉइस, मेरे को इसको कौन सा कलर देना है, क्या देना है, क्या नहीं देना है, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली माय विश। ये कलर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये अच्छा लग रहा है, और प्रॉब्ली आई लाइक टू गो विद ब्लू, आई वांट टू गो विद दिस ब्लू। अगर मेरे को लगता है मेरे को सब चीजों को एक साथ ही करना है तो मैं इसको कंट्रोल ए करता हूँ। कंट्रोल ए मतलब या कमांड ए मतलब ये वो होता है जहां पे आप पूरे के पूरे कंपोनेंट को एक साथ सिलेक्ट कर लेते हो। तो एक साथ में ये आ गया। अब मेरा डिजाइन बन चुका है। Okay, so what I do here is this is my front page, this is my second page. Clear until now? If you have any particular thing, you can ask me a question up to this point of time. Would you call it good, bad or wow? जो अभी आपने सीखा, was it good, bad or wow? Fantastic. Let's move on to another thing. Okay, तो I told you, और ये बेस्ट पार्ट क्या होता है, इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव टू सेव इट ऑन योर कंप्यूटर, बिकॉज ये सारी चीजें आपके कंप्यूटर पे सेव हो रही है आपके ड्राइव में। आपको लगता है मेरे को अब ये टेम्पलेट नहीं जाना है, मेरे को आई वांट टू सी हाउ डज इट लुक्स ऑन दिस टेम्पलेट, आप सिलेक्ट करो इसको, अप्लाई बोथ द पेजेस, आपका वापस से कंटेंट आ गया एंड हियर इज न्यू डिजाइन। सो आई टोल्ड यू देयर आर लोड्स ऑफ द टेम्पलेट, आप इन टेम्पलेट में से कोई भी चीज को यूज कर सकते हो। वॉज इट सिंपल, वॉज इट सिंपल और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड? सो किसी ने पूछा कैन वी क्लियर अ बैकग्राउंड कलर? यस, आई टोल्ड यू, मैंने आपको दिखाया कि बैकग्राउंड के कलर को कैसे क्लीन किया जाता है। फैंटास्टिक। डू आई मूव ऑन टू अनदर थिंग नाउ? ओके, दूसरी चीज है, दिस इज अ क्लासरूम सेशन, आपको होमवर्क करना होगा। ओके, यू विल हैव टू वर्क ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग अ बिट एंड आई टेल यू इन अनदर 1 or 2 days is there provision for comparing two design. So I don't know what does that mean. आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो सर, ये डिजाइन में अच्छा लग रहा है कि ये डिजाइन में अच्छा लग रहा है, इट्स ऑल योर चॉइसेस। यस, यू कैन कंपेयर इट ओवर देयर। क्योंकि आप, दूसरा चीज क्या होता है, ये मेरा क्योंकि बन चुका है, आई वांट टू डाउनलोड माय डिजाइन नाउ। अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे तो ये पूरे के पूरे मेरे डिजाइन्स यहाँ पे स्टोर है। सो यहाँ पे एक फोल्डर है कॉल्ड ऑल योर डिजाइन्स, तो जितनी भी डिजाइन्स मैंने आज तक बनाई हुई है वो सारी की सारी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। मैंने अभी वाले डिजाइन को सेव नहीं किया है तो इसके लिए ऐसे दिख रहा है ये। सो आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। जब मेरे को कोई प्रमोशनल कैंपेन करना होता है, लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे व्हेन वी डिडंट हैव पीपल टू वर्क फ्रॉम द ऑफिसेस, so I did this particular thing. So here we say 1000 registration achieved. So I'll show you a couple of designs what I had done. या when we formed a new, या अगर आपने देखा होगा तो ये मेरे पीपीटी के स्लाइड्स है which you have been seeing। अभी के भी अगर पीपीटी में आप देख रहे हो तो पूरे पीपीटी के स्लाइड्स है which is available over here. Now I will teach you how do you embed a video and how do you make a creative video. So ये करने के पहले I'll tell you what we had and what we did. So for one of the event, I wanted to make a video and I wanted to promote a video. Just a minute, I'm just trying to figure it out. Okay, so let's look up at it. So this was just done in the morning. I'll explain you again. So here was a video of Bhatriya, which I wanted to promote to my people, saying that this is one of the video which I wanted to read. So what I did was I had downloaded this video from YouTube. तो अगर आप YouTube में जाओगे तो you'll see this is a video which is on YouTube and I wanted to search. Okay, and I wanted to circulate this particular video to my people with my own branding. Okay, so what I did over there is I had selected a video template and I had dragged. I'll explain you this entire process again. So there are a couple of chat. Let me see if it's something relevant. किसी ने पूछा है, can you get ideas from this website? Yes, you get lots of ideas from this website, Ryan. दूसरा पूछा, sir, want to know about thumb rule according to font color. So there is no thumb rule as such. It's all about your design essence. अगर सब लोगों को वर्डाना ही चाहिए होता तो there would have been one font. There are thousands of the font. आपको देखना है कि आपका डिजाइन बैलेंस किस तरीके से करता है. So we will do that as well. Okay, how to download a design of the visiting card? Okay, so I think that I missed. I'll do that particular thing. No worries. So I will cover up that particular aspect first. Okay. So take an example. This was my design which I had done. Okay, so I did this something. Okay, so take an example. This is your design, or probably let's take an example. I had not saved that, इसलिए वो है नहीं वहां पे. तो ये दो चीज है. तो आपने यही डिजाइन में बनाया था वो चीज. ओके, यहाँ पे मैं अपना नाम चेंज कर देता हूँ, आशीष डालिया. Whatever I want it over here. मेरे को लगता है ये एलिमेंट मेरे को निकाल देना है, मेरे को ये एलिमेंट के साथ में कोई और एलिमेंट डालना है. I also have the permission to do that. Okay, how to do that I'll also teach you. What I'm doing is I'm removing this and I want to introduce a new design or new element over there. So this is getting loaded. Just give me a moment. Okay, to take an example, I wanted to load this. तो ये मैंने यहाँ पे बना दिया. तो this is becoming GIF. Okay, अब ये डिजाइन के यहाँ पे I wanted to probably use something like this. So I'm using this one. मैं इसको drag and drop करके I'm just doing this. So I told you can edit this name. I can write down, okay, Baker. I can write down whatever. So how to download this? So आपको यहाँ पे option मिलता है, print business card. Okay, so because it was business card, so it's giving me an option of printing the business card. Print your design as a business card. ये resize वगैरह करने के लिए बोल रहा है. It's all our choices whether we want to do it or not. Okay, so whatever you can do from here. Okay, ये मेरे को इसलिए बोल रहा है क्योंकि इसके अंदर में एक इमेज है which is copyrighted. So what I can probably do is ये जो image copyrighted, I can delete that particular image. Okay, otherwise you can pay. So okay, so I think we don't want to design this. Okay. So you have the option of either downloading one or downloading two, and you are good to download. जब आप डाउनलोड करने के लिए चले जाते हो, एक मिनट, प्रीमियर पेपर इसने बोला है, स्टैंडर्ड पेपर, and you want to download. So you want to download what? You want to download 2 JPEGs. तो मैंने जैसे यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, I will be able to download both the pages, and I say done, and I'm able to download. So what's happening over here is it's processing my file and I'm able to download it now. And I will just put up in a folder called designer. इसने zip file करके is downloading both the things. and when I go over here, so it's unzipping this and it's showing me these two pages which I wanted it over there. तो ये अगर आप देखोगे तो ये दोनों के दोनों पेजेस मेरे डाउनलोड हो चुके हैं. Now I can give this particular images to my printer and he can just print it over there. Is it clear? Is it clear? Simple. I am not on pro version, I am on a free version. Perfect. Okay. So what also they try to do is when you are trying to use this particular platform, they also give you a lot of copyrighted images. So I would recommend you or request you should not be downloading those if you don't want to pay for it. Okay. So now let's move on to another aspect कि हम video कैसे बनाएंगे. So I presume, as I said, I am not going to teach you how to make a video. I presume you already have a video. और हमको इस वीडियो को अपने डिजाइन के अंदर में इंटीग्रेट करना है. So I will teach you now how do you integrate. So here you have lots and lots of video ke templates. Okay, I will select one of the templates. So take an example. I want to select this template. Okay, and I want to see where is my video going to fit in. So when I play, so it does what? It shows me that this video is available over here. तो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ? See, ये जो remove watermark है ना, so this means that this image is chargeable. So when you want to be on free version and you don't want to pay for this, what you do is you go and just delete it like this. Okay, and I want to put in one particular video ka size, but naturally you'll have to, sorry. Okay, so I want to drag this particular video and upload it over there. So what I'm doing is मैंने एक video लिया and I had just up. Okay, so I am taking up this particular video and I am putting up this particular video under this particular frame. Okay, so अगर मेरे को लगता है I want to flip this video, I can do what? I can also put like this. But this video will only go good when it's being shown up like that. So I want to make a video bigger. Take an example. This is a size. So what I do is मैं पीछे की image को निकाल दिया. Okay, and so ये हर एक चीज एक एक component है. And I want to move this, drag यहाँ पे कर दिया मैंने. I want to keep this as like this. Okay, so here we said how to thrive in life. Okay, this is what it is talking about. I also want to say so I want to say listen to Matriya. Okay, I think these are a couple of things which are probably distracting me, तो मैं उसको उठा के यहाँ पे डाल देता हूँ. Okay, and I want to put it up there. I'll also teach you now. मेरे को लगता है ये image को थोड़ा सा मैं बाहर निकाल देना चाहिए. I can also do that. Okay, I think कि ये image को मेरे को background में रखना है. I can say send to backward. So this goes on a backward, and I say listen to Matriya. Lovely color, my favorite color, yellow again. I like to apply a yellow color. I want to apply a color to this also. I click and I apply a color yellow, or I apply this particular color, or I apply this particular color. I apply the same color here. I apply the same color here. I wish to apply the same color here. I want to apply the same color here. Up, I didn't like this particular font. So what I want to do is I want to change a font. So there is an option called changing a font. I'll just stop in between. Am I making logical sense to you until now? Is it going slow? Am I going too fast? So whatever you feel like, if I'm going fast, please type fast. If you feel I am on the right speed, please mention that. Had you, okay, you feel I am going little fast, okay. So Rajesh ji, what I'm trying to do here is, I had selected a template. With this particular template, it gave me everything preloaded. उसके डिजाइन कंपोनेंट्स है, उसके एलिमेंट्स है अलग अलग टाइप के. तो ये जो भी एलिमेंट्स को मैंने लिया हुआ है और मैं उसको एडिट कर रहा हूं उस सेक्शन में जा करके. Okay, and as I said, if you are not too technical savvy, though I said you don't have to be very technical. Okay, आप अगर इसको नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर पे अगर आप जाओगे, कुछ 2-4 घंटे अगर आप इसको यूज करोगे ना, आई टेल यू विल बिकम अ प्रोफेशनल. डोंट वरी ऑन दैट. Because probably you are hearing it for the first time, attending it for the first time, you might be feeling it's bit challenging, but थोड़ा सा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. बट आई टेल यू, इससे सिंपल दुनिया में और कोई चीज नहीं है. अगर आप वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट पे काम कर सकते हो, अगर आप एक्सेल पे काम कर सकते हो, अगर आप आउटलुक में एक ईमेल भेज सकते हो, अगर आप बेसिक पीपीटी कर सकते हो, बेसिक पीपीटी, आई एम अगेन टॉकिंग, तो बिलीव मी वन थिंग, यू विल बी एबल टू डू दिस अप. देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो चैलेंज विद दैट. इज दैट ओके राजेश जी? कैन आई मूव अहेड? Can I move forward? Perfect. अब what had happened now is, okay, अब मैंने ये सारी चीज रख दिया. अब मेरे को ये वीडियो बना लेना है. Okay, I also have an option of adding up lots of things. Background मेरे को ऐड करना है. So I think this background is not suiting me. Probably I want to use this background. Okay, मात्रिया का जनरली बैकग्राउंड ब्लू कलर का होता है और जनरली he has this kind of a background. Okay, और मात्रिया जनरली loves red color. So I want to use this as a red color. Sorry, ये नहीं करना था मेरे को. I wanted to use a font in a red. तो मैं यहां पे आ गया and I want to use a red font. Okay, Matre also has something called 3 dots. 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3. I want to make this particular thing bolder. I want to make this thing 32. Sorry. Okay. So probably I want to use something जहाँ पे मेरे को 3 dots देना है, so it looks the same. मैंने यही चीज को आया कंट्रोल सी किया, कंट्रोल वी किया, तो what had happened is एक another line create हो गई. अब इस जगह पे मैं सिर्फ 3 डॉट यूज करना चाहता हूँ. 1, 2, 3 and this 3 dot has to be red in color. और मेरे को इसको काफी बड़ा करना है. मैंने इसको क्लिक किया and I am putting it up over there. So we also have couple of people like me who's following Matriya. Okay, तो अगर आप जानते हो तो ये 3 डॉट का रिलेवेंस है Matriya के हर कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर में. Okay, I want to make further more bigger. I want to put 144. तो ये आ गया है मेरा, इस जगह पे मैंने इसको प्लेस कर दिया है. Okay, so that is how it comes. अब आपका वीडियो क्रिएट हो चुका है. So what I also want to do here is I want to send it to backward. Okay, तो ये चीज यहाँ पे इस तरीके से कि now my video is ready to be played and I can play the video. So what do you see here? Okay, now I have an option of downloading this video. Okay, but let's take an example. इसमें शायद कई लोगों को ऐसे लग रहा होगा कि it's looking probably patchy. It's looking patchy क्योंकि वीडियो और उसका कोलैबोरेशन नहीं है, लेकिन the moment I change my background to something else, it won't look patchy. तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड चेंज करते हैं. Wow, to an extent probably it's looking amazing. Okay, अब मेरे को इसका लगता है कि मेरे को इसको ट्रिम कर लेना है. So it also gives me option of trimming the video from here. मैं इसको जब मैं इसको तो मैं इस वीडियो को शायद यहां से भी चालू कर सकता हूं. एंड आई सेड डन. सो व्हेन आई सेड डन, व्हाट हैपेंड इज दिस बिकम्स अ ट्रिम्ड वीडियो. तो इनिशियली अगर आपने देखा होगा तो ये वीडियो अलग जगह से चालू हुआ था. नाउ व्हेन आई प्ले दिस एंटायर थिंग एज अ वीडियो, सो यू विल सी इट्स प्लेस फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट प्लेस ऑल टुगेदर. सो was it clear until now? टेक्निकल लगा? Did you find it's technical or is it clear? So what we did here was we took down one particular video, we selected one particular template, we just dragged the video from my desktop onto my browser on this platform. कोई upload करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, and my video is ready. Okay, so you might like this, or you might oh sorry, just a minute, I think my screen sharing is gone. Okay, I'll have to share my screen again. Okay, is screen visible to you all? Is screen visible to you all? Perfectly all right. Now what I want to do is I want to select some other template also. क्योंकि अगर आपने वीडियो सीख लिया तो I'll believe me one thing, आपका बहुत बड़ा काम हो गया, because every video is going to be produced in a big way in coming days. So I gave you one particular video. Would you like to see how to download a video also from YouTube? How many of you know how to download a video from YouTube? You know? Wonderful, Ryan. Fantastic. Fantastic. So if we have ज़्यादा no होंगे तो I'll just teach you how to download it. If there are not lots of people, okay. ठीक है. I'll just explain it simply. So just go on YouTube. Sorry, go on a website and say YouTube video downloader. Okay, or this website gets opened up. Now, if you want to download any particular video, let's take an example. Let me do one thing. I'll download my own video only. I'll just show you a sample. When I wanted to promote something, so I had just recorded a video, and with this particular recording of the video, I just embedded this in a template, Technology Gyan, learn how to manage your contact, and the video was all set. So I had practically spent nothing in doing this. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let me download this particular video from here. Okay, so I am taking this. जब मैं video download करता हूँ, I get this particular address on the browser. I'm just going and I'm typing in this particular video link, and I'm asking him to download. And now it allows me to download. I can select if I want high resolution or lower resolution. So this video is ready to be downloaded. So I'm just downloading this video. The video has downloaded. Now, again, we'll repeat the same thing, how to make a video template. Okay, so I'll just close. There are lots of windows which are opened up. Okay. So here is a window, or sorry, I want to create a design. Okay, so what you have seen is जो भी मैंने videos बनाए ना, so those are all available over here. So tomorrow if I want to go and edit something, okay, I can do that as well, but we'll move faster now on something. I go to home. I am selecting another video template. Now I want to make a video something like this. Take an example. This is a video, simple sober video. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to replace this lady. Originally it looks like this. Okay, simple sober video करने के लिए I'm just deleting this particular file. I'm going to my desktop. और ये जो video मेरा बनाया हुआ है, I'm going and dragging it over here. So based on the size of the video, it might take a couple of time or might load faster also. So this video, once I drag, it talks about a subject. कई बार I want a video to be very, very cleaner. Okay, I want to give a background to this video. This becomes a background. Okay, so I'm giving this as a background. ये background के ऊपर में I don't want this to be here, so I want this to be moved. From here to here, so I'm moving this word here and I'm typing in my name. Okay, एक कई जगह पे होता है आपका, जब आप करते हो तो ये इफ यू सी दिस अनग्रुप, मतलब है इसके अंदर दोनों तीनों एलिमेंट्स को ग्रुप कर दिया गया है. ओके आपको अनग्रुप करना होगा सो दैट दिस ऑल बिकम्स अ सेपरेट एलिमेंट्स. अब मैं बोलता हूं यहां पे लर्न डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. सो इट्स हियर. मेरे को बैकग्राउंड को थोड़ा और बड़ा करना है. आई कैन ड्रैग दिस अप. ओके एएफ लिखा है तो मेरे को लिखना है बाय, या मेरे को छोटे में लिखना है बाय. Okay, now this becomes my video. You can, I told you, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want to do. इसको आपको थोड़ा बड़ा करना है. आपने डिजाइन एलिमेंट इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर दिया है. आपको लगता है इस जगह पे मेरे को अपनी कंपनी का लोगो भी लगाना है फॉर माय ओन ब्रांडिंग पर्पस. तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू हियर इज जस्ट अ मिनट. ये मैंने अपना कंपनी का लोगो लिया. आई एम गोइंग हियर, आई एम पुटिंग अप माय लोगो. तो you'll find ये लोगो भी यहाँ पे आ गया. I want to make this logo smaller. I can do that. ये मेरे को लगता है वीडियो को थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करना है मेरे को. I can do that. Okay, so here comes my logo. I can put up my logo on my video also. Okay, amazing. Okay, so now everything is all handy with you. So this is how your video now looks. Okay, before we move on to the next subject, is it clear? So Ryan, you said how to group something you made. So take an example. I made something which has been ungrouped. Okay, ये पूरे एलिमेंट को है, ये अभी ग्रुप में है. तो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू इज आई नीड टू सिलेक्ट दिस. मैं जब इसको पूरी चीज को ऐसे ऐसे मल्टीपल सिलेक्ट करता हूं तो आप इसको देखते हो, यू गेट ऑप्शन कॉल्ड ग्रुप. अर्लियर वी सेड अनग्रुप, नाउ इट्स कॉल्ड ग्रुप. So when it's group, now what happens is you cannot move anything individually. जब भी हिलेगा सब एक साथ में हिलेगा. तो this is where you want to lock the element of your designs. Ryan, is that clear to you? Can we write a guiding message in running window? I don't know what does it. Write a guiding message in a running window. I don't know. विनायक जी मेरे को नहीं समझ आया आपने क्या पूछा है. हम लोग उसको क्वेश्चन आंसर में लेते हैं. Let's move on. So is video part good enough? We can move on to the next subject. Can we move on to the next subject? How can you drag a YouTube video? आप YouTube से वीडियो ड्रैग नहीं कर पाओगे. आपको वीडियो को डाउनलोड करना होगा क्योंकि वीडियो आपके लोकल में चाहिए because YouTube doesn't allow you to drag. Can we move on to the next subject? Is video and visiting card clear to you? आप कर सकते हो कैलाश जी. वीडियो बैकग्राउंड का भी मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था. देयर इज अ टैब कॉल्ड बैकग्राउंड. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो उससे आप कर पाओगे. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट. ओके, थैंक यू. आर यू फाइंडिंग दिस सेशन इंटरेस्टिंग? Wonderful. Let's move on to the next subject now. Next subject, we will talk about making a presentation. Okay, how many of you find making an awesome presentation a difficult job? How many of you find making presentation a very difficult job? Rubishri, can we create a new video with voice over and animate? आप कुछ भी करिए वीडियो को, वीडियो का सोर्स को लाके यहाँ पे करो because this is not a video editing software. तो आप वीडियो बनाइए, उसके अंदर में वॉइस ओवर डालिए, जो करना आप करिए. फाइनली एक वीडियो लेके आइए और यहाँ पे डालो. Yeah. Do you find this session matching up your expectation until now? ठीक है. How many of you find कि एक अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना बहुत मुश्किल चीज है? Do you find making an awesome, amazing presentation is very difficult job? Do you find it difficult or not difficult? I'm waiting for a couple of more. Not difficult. Wonderful. Difficult. Okay. You find, most of you find. So today I'll teach you how we can make an awesome presentation like a professional. आपने अपनी लाइफ में ऐसे presentations नहीं देखे होंगे. Okay, so I will teach you now how to make. So similarly, the way we had, there are lots of templates available for making a PPTs. Okay, loads and loads and loads of the PPT, but we'll just get started with somewhere. So take an example. We want to make a presentation. I'll select a template. Okay, this seems to be a simple presentation. We'll make something more jazzy. तो आप टेम्पलेट भी देख सकते हो कि तो दिस इज गुड फॉर पीपल हु आर इनटू फूड बिजनेस. Okay, so let's make this. I love this kind of presentations, and I am saying apply 26 pages. So 26 के 26 pages यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं. Okay, so now I have an option. So I'll teach you now how it's required to be done. So one of the option is I can create a background. So we take an example. I'll go down to my own website. So I want my theme of my presentation to be something like this. I think this image cannot be moved. Okay. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's use professional background image. Okay, so you want to make a presentation, something, you can select which image do you want to make. Okay, let me use this. Is this a good image? By and large, when it's a corporate one, you would like to have this, something like that. So what I did, I had also not downloaded, मैंने सिर्फ आ गया, I had copied the image. I am coming back to my presentation वाला slide पे, and I am putting up, deleting this background, putting up this as a background. मैंने drag कर लिया है. Okay, but if you look up at it, if you try to write something on this presentation, it won't be visible. So what I want to do is I want to make this particular image lighter. Okay, I just want to represent it over there, but I don't want to give so much of the. तो इसके अंदर में image editing भी आपको मिल रही है. Now if you want, you can flip this image because you want to use right side. So you flip the image. Okay, you want to put up the side. तो यहाँ पे आपको टेक्निकल चीजें समझने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. You can just decide upon कि कौन सा शेड के साथ आपका इमेज कैसा जाता है. You want to make it more blurred. So this is amazingly an image. So you are able to also use. अब कहीं पे लगता है no, what I wanted to do is totally being forgotten. या ऐसी इमेज चाहिए ही नहीं मेरे को. What you do is you just delete it again. So you delete it and you want to come back to the basic image again. Majority of the time what happens is when we are trying to edit an image, हम अपना original image को छोड़ देते हैं. So don't वो आपके क्योंकि मेमोरी में है, तो डोंट मिस आउट ऑन दैट. Okay, so I want to use this. Then I want to flip. I am flipping it. I want to flip vertical, तो ये उल्टा हो जाएगा. I want to flip horizontal, ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. So now what I want to do is, मैं इस इमेज को बैकग्राउंड में भेज रहा हूँ, send to back. बैकग्राउंड में जब मैं भेजता हूँ तो क्या होता है कि पूरे एलिमेंट उसके ऊपर में आ गए. If you had seen earlier what was happening, this image was in a group. I was not able, so I went and I did ungrouping over there. So I'm writing down here. Company presentation. Okay, and then you say depending upon. So I want to say this is my IKF company presentation. Okay, it looks very big. What I do here is I just reduce the font of this. वापस से क्योंकि ग्रुप में है तो आई एम अनग्रुपिंग इट सो दैट आई कैन मूव इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. I want to bring it up into two lines. So what I do is I put it up over here like this. Okay, so you can add more gist to it. दूसरी चीज इसके अंदर में होती है, I want to probably I want to put it up there. I don't want this. I want to say prepared by Ashish Talia. आप चाहते हो इसको यहाँ नहीं रखना है, यहाँ रखना है. Using this, you can also put it up like this over here. So what we tried to do over here was, हम लोगों ने ये टेम्पलेट को फ्रीज कर दिया है. Now there is an option of going ahead with the similar kind of a template, or you can say now here is index. I'm ungrouping it here. Then I write down index. Index मतलब कि आप इसके अंदर में क्या बात करने वाले हो. Ungroup. Then I'm putting it up over here. Content. Take an example. And now I want to write here company profile. Okay, team behind. I'm typing in over here our services. Then I'm typing in here our clients contact, whatever. Okay, you can make as much as you want. और आप चाहते हो कि इस जगह के ऊपर में आपको ये इमेज नहीं चाहिए. You want to use an image of probably this one. See, I'm just using a random images. Okay, so you can decide upon which image you want. So I want to replace this image and I want to have this image. So I have an option of hiding the image like this. मैं इसको compact कर पाता हूँ. And I want to drag the image like this. Okay. Do you think it's a good PPT now? Is it looking good? So you say, Ryan, I'll answer to those. Okay. So do you think it's looking a good PPT? अब आप हम देखते हैं कि अपनी PPT दिखने वाली कैसी है. So there are 26 slides. Okay, I'll come on that. So my PPT. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's move on to a couple of more slides. So now here I want to say, so it was meant to be company profile. Ungroup. We are so and so. ये आपने जो लिखना है वो लिख दिया. यहाँ पे आपको जो लिखना है वो लिख दिया. Okay, and you want to put up company profile. Can I take an example? I am on my website. I'll go to about a section. Okay, so I want to put down this stronger copy line over here. Again, it was grouped, so I have to ungroup. Sorry. And I'm typing down this. PPT में I always recommend that you should not be making it overloaded. बहुत ज़्यादा content नहीं डालना चाहिए. These are couple of good hygienes of making good presentation. People, there is a difference between presentation and there is a difference between your company profile. I want to make it more bolder. I want to make it further. 104 का font looks bigger to me. I want to make it 80 का font. Okay. By and large, if you are not able to understand कि कितना होना चाहिए, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? Drag और drop करके भी कर सकते हो. And the best part with this thing, अब जब आप drag drop करते हो, take an example, you want to get until this. Now you drag it up, automatically it will shape up. You want to make it further down, आपने ये कर दिया. This looks good to you now. Okay, we are a juice delivery company. We are a okay, you want to change a font, change the font, but I generally recommend when you are working on a PPTs, don't make more than 2 or 3 different fonts, क्योंकि नहीं तो खिचड़ी हो जाएगी. If life gives you a lemon, make some kind of fruit juice out of it, is a copy line which is being put up. Okay, our philosophy. So you can put down here saying that our okay, so you are all set with your PPT. अब आपको इसके अंदर में कुछ इफेक्ट डाउनलोड करने हैं. So what we generally do in this kind of scenarios is, now if you want to replicate the same PPT and same images, you can also go, there are a couple of pages where you want, okay, fine, this image to be there, क्योंकि आपका theme है, and you say send to back. ये white वाला background को लगाना पड़ेगा. इस जगह को आपको okay, तो अभी ऐसे केस में what we should try to do is we should try to put it up as a group. तो you should be able to move it further down. अगर वैसे नहीं आता है तो what you do is आप इसको यहाँ पे लेके आ जाइए. You can bring it over here, and this element of a small component what you also had, you can drag it over here. So I think your PPT is now almost ready. Okay, so I won't make the full PPT, but I had just given you the background. Now you want to add an effect, तो effect आप इसके ऊपर add नहीं कर पाओगे. So what you should try to do is you should try to download this presentation. And again, as I said, I am on a free account right now. So you can download all 26 pages अगर आपको करना है, you say done, you click. Okay, now don't pay for the image, get this, because there is an image which is copyrighted. So what I will try to do is I will have to delete all these images. Okay, so अगर आप देख रहे हो, when you scroll down, you'll see what is copied. So wherever Canva is written, those are the copyrighted images. So you have to pay to them, but if you don't want to pay them, okay, and if you still want to download this particular thing, you are free to do that. Okay, so let me see if I had removed all the, okay, so there are still couple of images उसके अंदर भी ये है. Okay, so because यहाँ पे वो है, remove the bookmark. You can add the images from your PPT also eventually. So I'm giving you a hack so that you get the same professionalism, but you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so let me figure out if it's ready now here. Yeah. So there are still pages. Okay, what you can probably do is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8. Okay, and you say done. Oh, sorry, you don't want to download this, you want to download a PDF. So you don't want to pay for this, you don't want to pay for this, you don't want to pay for this. So I'm just downloading a couple of pages to let you know. Okay, so it's charging for one premium image $1, but we still don't want to pay that, right? So because वो जो page के अंदर में that image was there, so it was not allowing to do that. So now my PPT is getting downloaded. Okay, you say day and you say company presentation or demo PPT, and you are all set to do it here, and your PPT is ready. I click on this link, so your PPT is got downloaded. Now you can give effects and you can do whatever you want to do. PPT का डिजाइनिंग का क्लास अभी हम लोग नहीं ले रहे, तो I won't get into that particular aspects. But typically, here is your PPT, and you want to start. So now your PPT looks like this. So what I'll do now is I'll just show you one of the sample PPT which I which I made using this one. So if you have seen this email marketing, so earlier PPT was looking something like that, but I don't want to open that. Okay. So this is a PPT which I had made it from my Canva. Please read this PPT जब मैं play करूँगा. So Akshay Mundra, you asked, can we link? Yes, you can link from your PPT to a. आप अपनी PPT में link दे सकते हो, so that you can go down to your website, social media, or wherever you want it to go. So I'll teach you that also. So now, when you look up at this presentation, एक common background रखा है मैंने, because I wanted it to be there. So this entire PPT is being done using Canva. How did you find this skill? Please rate it in your chat box. How did you find this learning? So now you think you can make an awesome PPTs? Fun. So yes, Ryan, I like that you said it's fun. Believe me, designing is fun. And once you get engross yourself into designing, what happens? It's like pencil. You keep sharpening up, it keeps giving you new flair of yourself. तो आप जैसे जैसे इसको पेंसिल की तरह से शार्पन करते जाओगे, नया नया क्रिएटिविटी आपके अंदर आएगा. और वही हमारी थीम आज की डेट का इग्नाइट अ डिजाइनर यू. डू यू थिंक वी आर अलाइनिंग विद द थीम इग्नाइट अ डिजाइनर यू? क्या आपके अंदर का एक डिजाइनर इग्नाइट हो रहा है? Perfect. Let's move on to the next topic of ours. अब हम बात करेंगे कोलाज कैसे बनाई जाए. ओके, कि मेरे को अपनी फैमिली का एक पोर्ट्रेट बनाना है. ओके, लेट्स डू वन थिंग. उसके पहले हमें कार्ड डिजाइन कर लेते हैं. सो हियर आर लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ द कार्ड्स जो मेरे को बनाने हैं. शायद मैं अपने बेडरूम में रखना चाहूं, चाहे मैं इसकी फ्रेम बनाना चाहूं, चाहे मैं जो भी चीज करना चाहूं. सो टेक एन एग्जांपल, आई सिलेक्ट दिस कार्ड. सो हियर जहां भी कैनवा लिख के आता है, मतलब है दीज आर कॉपीराइटेड इमेजेस, बट वी कैन स्टिल स्किप इट. मैं इसको डिलीट कर सकता हूं. So let me do one thing. Let me take up my photograph, probably from somewhere. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay. So, okay, I'll just use like funny photograph, which I like a lot. Copy image. Fun होना चाहिए. मैंने जैसे बोला था. So I want to use something funny. Okay. So I want to use this and I want to use this. So what I did was, ये my team had made it. अच्छा, बेस्ट पार्ट इसमें एक और चीज क्या होती है, यू प्रॉब्ली हैड नॉट ऑब्जर्व. ये जो मेरी इमेज है ना, इसकी साइज अलग है. आर यू एबल टू सी? कैनवा के अंदर में एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन ये भी आता है, इट रीसाइजेस द इमेज. जैसे मैं इसको लेके यहाँ पे डालता हूँ, It is resizing without distorting the image. So this was the image which was being made by my team as a thank you post for my birthday wishes. Okay, so here I want to, अब वापस से मैं आता हूँ, ये group में है, I want to ungroup this entire thing and I want to say thanks a lot buddies. Okay, your wishes made my day, whatever I want to write down. I want to change the font. I haven't discussed with you yet now. So there are lots of fonts families available. So I want to change the font. And best part with this is you can see the effect of this font in a real-time basis. So you don't have to wait for anything कि इसको apply कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. I want to make further more funnier font करना है मेरे को थोड़ा सा और. Okay, so I can see the kind of font which suits me the most. Okay, so let's settle down with this. I want to do this particular font using okay. Second thing, I want to make the alignment to move to right. तो यहाँ पे alignment का भी बटन है. तो ये आपको पहले left, फिर center, फिर right. So आप जैसे जैसे इसको क्लिक करोगे वो होता चला जाएगा. Okay. Here is also the font family. आपको सब बड़ा रखना है, सब छोटा रखना है. Title. So there are multiple cases, smaller case, title case, and upper cases. You can do everything from here. So आपको वापस से टाइप करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. If you want to put up a letter का heighting, ये करना है, कम ज्यादा करना है, you can do everything. You'll have to play. Okay. So in short, point was only like that. If you want to increase the height between these two things, so you can do that from here. अगर आपको इसका अलाइनमेंट टॉप अलाइनमेंट करना है, सेंटर रखना है, ये करना है, तो यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग. सो नाउ माय डिजाइन इज रेडी, बट आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ इट. आई वांट टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड. सो लेट्स चेंज द बैकग्राउंड टू दिस कलर. So there is no heavy softwares which are required to do this up. You can use whichever the one you want. Okay. दूसरा चीज है, yes, if you want to have more option of the color, then it asks you to go for a learn more. ये प्रीमियम का साइन दे रहा है आपको, बट जरूरत नहीं है तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है ये सब चीजों की. इसके भी हो जाता है. आई थिंक दिस फॉन्ट इज नॉट गेटिंग मैच्ड विद दिस. आई लाइक टू चेंज इट टू व्हाइट. And I want this particular font to be like this. So yes, my design is set. I won't say बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन है because बहुत अलग अलग तरीके की चीजें कॉम्बिनेशन करनी पड़ेगी. And I also have an option. I can make it white also. Yellow थोड़ा फ्रेश लगता है इन जनरल में. और you take down this particular example or you take down this or this. वो ओके. तो अभी हमने बात किया कि हाउ टू मेक अ कोलाज. नाउ आई वांट टू मेक अ बिगर कोलाज. आई वांट टू ऐड मल्टीपल फोटोग्राफ्स टू इट. ओके. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज डू वन थिंग कि जब भी आप करो तो ऐड एज अ न्यू पेज करो. और आपका पेज का मतलब ये होता है कि ऊपर वाला भी आपका पेज सेव हो रहा है, नीचे वाला भी पेज सेव हो गया. So this is an image where I want to put up a family portrait. So what I do in order to put up a family portrait, okay, I'll go on a Google only right now. Okay, so this could be a family. Okay, so take an example. This is a family and you want to use this image. ये आप आपके Google Drive वगैरह से जो भी आप, you can drag it up. So I don't want to use the personal photographs right now. So I want to replace this photograph. Okay, so what I do is I delete that and I place it over here. और जैसे ही मैंने बताया कि इट विल रीशेप ऑटोमेटिकली, मेरे को ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है. आई वांट टू पुट अप अनदर फोटोग्राफ. दिस फोटोग्राफ इज probably this one. copy image, delete, I put up another photograph. So it's taken up that. आपको चाहिए ये इमेज ऐसी नहीं दिखानी है, तो you also have an option of editing the image. Editing मतलब है you don't want that particular text to be visible. So now what happens, that image will go and this is what would be visible. I'll just take a pause. Let me know, is it going good? Is it going good until now? So are you making a right time investment of your time? Perfect. Let's move on to another thing. So what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop couple of फटाफट photograph ले लेते हैं कुछ कुछ. So this is how is our family. Also take an example. Okay, and I want to drag this also here. So what happened, our collage is done. So now I want to do what? I want to write down my family, my life, whatever you want to write down. Okay, and you can put it, you can say picture from Dubai visit. Okay, you're all set. So you want to give a background color to it, you can give a background color to it. So background color आ गया. So depending upon what you want to give the color, आप background color को click करके you can make it look more vibrant. Good to go with next section. Good to go with next section. Perfect. So now, so are you finding this technical? This is absolutely not technical. Okay, I can tell you one thing. So now we discuss of this. So as I said, ये सब चीजें बहुत easy है. You want to design a poster. This could be a social media post also. You like to put it up wherever you want to do. So this is your creative thing wherein you want to make something. This is your book cover. Okay, so I want to say ungroup कर दिया मैंने. I had ungrouped everything over here. I want to use a photograph, copy image. Okay, this became my photograph. I want to say my book. Okay, this font, if it's not possible clear to you, just go and apply this particular font, or here this particular font. This looks bad. This looks bad. Okay, and here you can write down what you want to do. Okay, so now once this is being done, what you need to do, let me do one thing. Let me figure out if I can put my, okay, यही मैं use करता हूँ. Okay, so this becomes my cover pic. मैं इसका फोटोग्राफ निकाल लो, मेरे को जो भी चीज करनी है वो मैं कर सकता हूँ. Here could be the thing. Here could be something. ये आपको लगता है इसको ये करना है, you can. You want to put it up in one line. What you have to do is आपको इसका font कम करना होगा. It's coming in two lines because enter was being pressed. So sometime you can also do it just by dragging and dropping over here. Probably this color is not matching with his, so I will try to do it with some different color. I don't know, somehow yellow color goes very well with whatever I feel like, with at least for me. Yeah. So this is something. Now what you need to just do is download this particular thing. You can download this into multiple format, PNG, JPEG, PDF, video. Video you cannot download it up there. So I'm downloading this as JPEG and I'm clicking. Okay, just a minute. So when I'm downloading this as a JPEG, it also says me ki, sorry. So जब आप premium version में चले जाते हो, तो what you get is when you pay for it, you can put up the size also. But we are not a paid customer, so we don't want that. वो हम लोग manage कर सकते हैं. We can still manage till the time we don't want to pay for it. My book, okay, JPEG. So here goes my book. Okay, you can play around because I don't have time right now to play around with designs. So there are lots of things which you can play around with this particular thing. So all set and done. Okay, so in next 5-10 minutes we'll just finish up couple of more art things. I won't do the practical. Okay, I'll just expose to you multiple formats of the things which are being made available. Everything, as you are aware, is a drag and drop. Okay, so there are also lots of options, by the way, to make a logos. So that was one thing which I really forgot. So depending upon your company, who you are, what you do, you can also design logos. So take an example. We'll take down this logo. We'll take down this logo. Okay, so you can play around with this. आप कोई element नहीं डालना है, यहाँ पे कुछ अलग element डालना है. You want to put down saying that Ashish Dalia, law firm. Okay, आपको लगता है यहाँ पे कुछ और element डालना है, तो you also lots of elements over here. So take an example. We drag this up over here. Okay, and I want to give this as a different color. So I want to give a color to this. So this is certainly not an alternative कि आपको designer की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, but yes, people who are starting from house and if you want to do something over here, you can always do some basic stuffs. So you can see if it's being aligned or not. आप थोड़ा इधर उधर करके भी देख सकते हो. So this is your logo if you want to do something. So there are loads and loads of the templates of logos also available. Okay, so now we can talk about flyer कि अगर आप कोई flyers बनाने हैं जो आपको email campaign करना है या email marketing करना है. So you have lots of flyers from here, sample. So take an example. I'll take this one. Okay, so does your business need attention? And I want to put up a logo of IKF. PNG है तो the best part with PNG, it takes down the background as it is. I can put it up over here. I can put it up over here also. So choice is all mine where I want to put up, but I think this looks good over here. और ये चीज को मैं थोड़ा सा इधर सरका लेता हूँ. Okay, so this became my flyer. It looks like it's grouped, तो इसको ungroup करना होगा so that I can move individual items here and there. We are just a call away. Hey, don't hesitate to call up. मैं नंबर आ गया. I want to make this component much bigger. तो मैं इसको 2 लाइन में ले सकता हूं. I can increase the font from here to 24. Probably it's out here. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आ गया है. यहाँ पे if I want to write down, so if I want to write down something, ये भी ungroup करना होगा मेरे को. Act now. And to put it up in a 2 lines. I want to make it centrally aligned. Font का color सही नहीं दिख रहा है. So I'm making it now, and this is a flyer. Do you think this looks amazing flyer? This is looking amazing. किसी ने पूछा है कि क्या इसमें हिंदी ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या? I haven't tried, but let me do one thing. तो हम देखते हैं ये कर पाते क्या. I don't think there should be any problem with this. Okay. Yeah. So he is Hindi also. तो आपको जो भी लिखना है आप हिंदी में लिख दो, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Good. Wonderful. So we will now open up the things for question answer, or is there anything else you like me to present or talk to you? Just looking up. इसी तरीके से Facebook कवर, ब्रोशर जो बनाना है, let's look up at one thing. एक ब्रोशर दिखा देता हूँ. Quite a lot of people are from a business community. तो आपको लगता है कि आपको एक ब्रोशर बनाना है, ठीक है? So let's make a brochure out of it. Okay, let's make this brochure. तो आपकी कंपनी का ब्रोशर है. Okay, this is called a first page. This is called a second page. Okay, तो आप इसमें जाते हो, अपना प्रोडक्ट का जो भी है वो डाल देते हो. मान लो आप जिम चलाते हो, टेक एन एग्जांपल, और फूड चलाते हो, फूड. Okay, I am deleting this. I am placing it up over here. आप देखोगे तो so I told you, ये ऑटोमेटिकली उसने अपने आप को सेटअप कर लिया है. So it had automatically. So now this becomes your food restaurant का बाकी का सब चीज हो गया है. आपको लगता है आपको यहाँ पे कुछ और डालना है, you can put up another image also. Okay, the moment I drag, automatically वो resize कर लेगा, it will come down. आपको लगता है hindrance है, you just delete it from there. आपको लगता है इसको ऐसे थोड़ा घुमाना है, it's over here, and now you are all set to run it up there. इसमें आपको लगता है कि you want to put up a chef. स्मार्ट शेफ ढूंढ रहा हूं मैं. If I can get a smart chef. Let's have this. So this becomes your brochure. All said, done. So can we add geometry shapes and place image in that? You can do whatever you want to do. There has to be an image and you can do that. So geometry shape आपको चाहिए था, ठीक है? Let me figure out. So there are lots of elements. अब geometry का भी shape अगर है, so you can put up some kind of thing. So you can put up this kind of a geometrical shape, yeah, whatever you feel like. Okay, I don't know आपको क्या चाहिए है, but you can always put up some kind of a geometrical shape. Infographics, do you want me to speak upon? Chalo, we'll do infographics also. So there is a template for infographics, okay? Ryan, you're asking, can we add a voiceover? Voiceover, you have to add it up in your videos, and then video can be embedded. So one of the video which I shown you is with my voiceover as well. So there is a component of a video. So it allows you to do this. So now this is very important thing. Okay. So you want to present your company in which ways? Okay. So this is called infographics. Infographics wherein you want to promote the content to people in some kind of a geographical thing. So here we say, so I want to, okay. So I'm just extending it over here. तो आप यहाँ पे चले जाते हो, आपको लगता है 10% की जगह पे 20% है, 20% आपने डाल दिया, यहाँ पे आपको लगता है 35% है, 36% है, you can do that. यहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि these are 1 to 5 years old, आपको लगता है ये. So every element over here, single male, female, ये जो भी चीजें है ना, so you can add it up over there. So you just have to drag and drop something. So I'll just do one thing, एक element ले लेते हैं हम लोग. So you can go with one particular family, okay? Yeah, coronavirus ka family, take an example. So what we want to do is we want to add up this particular image. Okay, and you want to, iska jo color hai, you want to change the color to probably red, or to this, or to that, whatever you want. And you want to flip, you want it to be flipped like that. So now you want to go to another image. तो आपको एक अलग image मिल रहा है. Okay, so this is an image, and you want to delete this image. Proportion देख लो क्या रखना है आपको. You can look up at the proportion the way you want. Okay, and you want to be there, and you want it to be also the same color. You can go and apply the color called this. Okay, so now you have a font, you change it. So each and every element of this is now something which you can edit it up over there. Good enough, everyone? So we will now get into a couple of question answer zone. So I told you, so did you felt at any given point of time it was way too technical, you couldn't do it, or something you require any technical jargon? मैंने तुमसे color palette की बात किया, उसका dimension का बात किया, color balancing का बात किया, जो दिखता है वो दिखता है. तो here what we are doing is you are becoming a graphic visualizer so that your ideas, जो आप लोगों का idea, I'll just move, I like to now see all of you. So so you have become a graphic visualizer without knowing CorelDRAW, Photoshop, whatever you wanted to understand. Okay, and yet you are able to design something which looks very awesome. So now what I'll do is I will give you option of unmuting yourself. I'll expect you, आप अपने आप को म्यूट रखिए, जिसको भी जो क्वेश्चन पूछना है, one by one you can ask me a question and I like to answer. So first of all, before we move on, how did you find the session? I would like to understand from you. So please put it up into your content chat box. How did you find it up? So now you can unmute yourself one by one. I like to take it up from all of you. Yes, Ryan, you want to say something? Yes, you can also blur the background images. So I'll expect one thing कि एक एक जन आदमी अपना नाम लीजिए. You can ask me a question which you want to ask. After you ask me a question, you can mute yourself so that I will be able to communicate it very practically to all of you. So be here for another 10 odd minutes. So keeping this in view, we have continuous session in the similar kind of format. Tomorrow's session is going to be about how do you manage your time, how do you manage your calendar, how do you know how effective. I'll take an example. If you invested 1.5 hours, 2 hours over here, आपको ये देखना 6 महीने बाद में कि मैंने कब कब क्या क्या किया. तो tomorrow I'm going to take a session on a calendar management, appointment management, and how you can distribute your 24 hours in a very structured kind of a way. तो वो चीज होगी जहां पे आप you will be able to dominate your time, you will be able to take a control of where you have been spending your time, because I don't do anything without my calendar, so that अगर मेरे को आज जाके देखना है कि मेरे को 6 महीने पहले मैंने क्या देखा, I can see it from there. Yeah, so questions, I'm ready for question and answer. So.
Hello sir, I am Priyanka. Sir, actually I'm working in automation company. जो मैंने बताया था, तो we are create our own designs. तो हम अपना ही बनाते हैं. तो अगर मेरे को प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना है और विजिटिंग कार्ड बनाना है, तो वो डाल सकती हूँ का पिक्चर्स, ड्राइंग्स, क्योंकि हमारे जो पिक्चर्स और ड्राइंग्स रहते हैं वो अलग फॉर्मेट में होते हैं.
जैसे कि I got it. मैं इसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट करता हूँ. अगर आपके पास में कोई इमेज है, आपके पास एक लेआउट फिक्स है, तो आप ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप के साथ कुछ भी कर सकते हो. इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद कि आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है, सर्विस क्या. अभी मैंने फूड का बनाया, थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने कुछ अलग चीज का बनाया, तो इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप हो गया. यस, यू कैन डू दैट. आप थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो, हो जाएगा. ओके,
और कौन से फॉर्मेट, पीएनजी, जेपीजी, कौन से फॉर्मेट में मैं इसमें अपलोड कर सकती हूँ? या पीएनजी और
आप जेपेग और पीएनजी दोनों भी कर सकते हो.
ओके सर, थैंक
यू सो मच. थैंक यू. यस, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? आप म्यूट हो जाइएगा. Ryan, you have been very active throughout the session. Can I see you? Yeah, Shalini, you can ask. You can unmute yourself. I think you can unmute yourself, right? Shalini, you have raised your hands. You may ask, please. Yeah, Hitendra ji, आपने जैसे बोला practice, practice and practice. Yes. This is like a buying a textbook. लेकिन पढ़ोगे नहीं तो एग्जाम में पास नहीं हो पाओगे. Jitendra ji, you have any questions? Otherwise, we will close up the session in next 5 minutes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can we add links and
one by one. So just raise your hand, say that. बाकी के लोग mute हो जाओ. I'll try to answer all of you. So voice is not audible. Is it my voice not audible, or Shalini, or your voice is not audible? Are you able to hear me? Could you hear me? Yeah. Yeah, you can ask. There was someone who wanted to ask a question.
Hello, Mr. Ashish. Yes. Thank you for this nice session, actually. First of all, and the second thing, sir, I just asking you, the earlier question was, we are making one video and we just wanted to add some sentences or descriptions at some points in the video. Is it possible to do it from Canva?
नो. सो एक जब वीडियो आपका एम्बेड होता है, तो एक वीडियो एक कंपोनेंट करके एम्बेड होता है, तो आपको वो जो सेंटेंस या जो वर्ड डालना है या लेटर डालना है, वो आपको वीडियो में डालना है और उसको एम्बेड करिएगा. बिकॉज वीडियो आपका अलग अलग टाइम पे चलते रहता है. कैनवा आपका एक सिंगल चीज को फ्रीज कर देता है, फ्रेम है ये।
Okay, good, sir. Thank you, sir. And so one more question is there, sir, regarding whenever I was trying to do some templates for the email marketing. It is only possible in the PDF format that I can give some hyperlinks, but in case of PNG and some
आप JPEG और PNG में कभी भी नहीं दे पाओगे, लेकिन जब आप ईमेल कैंपेन करते हो, अगर आपको मेरा कोई ईमेल आया होगा, ओके, तो आप उस ईमेल पे इमेज पे अगर क्लिक करोगे तो इट इज हाइपरलिंक टेबल। तो आप जब इमेज डालते हो तो इमेज को हाइपरलिंक करो, लेकिन इमेज के अंदर के कंपोनेंट को आप हाइपरलिंक नहीं कर सकते हो।
Okay, sir. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah,
Sure.
good. Good.
So I'd like to hear a couple of more feedbacks and then we officially close.
Hello Ashish ji, Suresh
Yes
here.
sir, how are you Suresh ji, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
आपको देख के मेरे को लगा आज भाटिया जी का ही मैंने वीडियो डालना चाहिए।
Thank you so much, it was nice. Your session was very good and we could know the various parts. We know about Canva, but what all could be done, you explained it very nicely. Like anything and everything can be done, right from presentation or a collage or a infographics or whatever. It is very nice and very simple. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir, thank you. So if you don't have question, then we can one by one we can start leaving then.
Okay, someone wants, my wife was there, she was there when I was attending. She wants to share something with you.
Yeah, absolutely.
It was wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, भाभी जी। चेन्नई आ गए तो हमारे लिए घर हो गया अभी।
Definitely. You're welcome anytime.
Thank you. Yes.
Any other app apart from Canva, or it's Canva is the best one?
So I'll tell you, बहुत सी चीजें हैं दुनिया में पड़ी हुई, लेकिन अगर एक चीज मेरे को satisfy कर देती है तो I should stick with that.
Okay.
So क्या होता है 10 जगह पे जाके अगर वो चीज अलग अलग, but I am giving you one of the best. ये 40-50 दिन जो लॉकडाउन के बीच में जो मैंने एक्सप्लोरेशन किया है, let it be yesterday's email marketing और WhatsApp marketing और this, कल का भी जो मेरा सेशन है about how do you manage your time, how do you manage your calendar, how do you manage the schedules, कल वो चीज के ऊपर में भी इन टेक्नोलॉजी और गूगल कैलेंडर, आउटलुक कैलेंडर में हाउ डू यू रियली सिंक अप विद दैट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अपॉन.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. One more question is from my side. That any software for the video editing, any free software like this for video, पर only for?
काफी सॉफ्टवेयर है वीडियो एडिटिंग करने के लिए. अगर आप मैक यूज करते हो तो iMovie अच्छा है. ओके, उसके बाद में आप YouTube पे भी अगर जाते हो, YouTube भी खुद एक एडिटर बन चुका है. तो YouTube also allows you to edit a lot of software, but I think there are lots. यानी कोई एक हाथ बोलने मोबाइल के अंदर में है और डेस्कटॉप पे, you can just try it out anything.
Yeah, sir,
I haven't tried it.
Okay, okay, yeah.
I use iMovie and I'm very happy with iMovie because I'm on Mac.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yes. So can we close now? So is Ryan still there? So how many of you are below 10th standard or probably lesser than 18 years from here? I could see quite a lot. Who? Me is who?
Ryan.
Hey Ryan, can I see your face? Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You really made me challenging. I was always worried ki what is your next question going to be? You kept me on toes. So how was your experience, Ryan? Ryan, you still there? I think he's gone.
Oh, it was very interesting and fun. I learned a lot of new things.
So I taught you something today. You will also have to teach me something then sometime.
I'll see.
What you will see? You will have to give that to me. It's a barter, right? So we are officially closed, but still I am available for some kind of an chat or informal discussions if someone wants for next 5 minutes. Yes, Jitendra ji, how are you?
I wanted to ask one, if I'm
Yes,
not
madam.
interrupting anybody. I just wanted to know, you told like we can post the video, right? But that's a ready video. Is there any provision on this thing where we can compile a video also in a creative way, where we can like have a lot of pictures and we can create or compile a creative video?
So got it. So when you talk about video generally is a very huge files. Okay. So when it you shoots up in a raw file. So on a I use Mac. So I think iMovie is one of the best. But then apart from this, YouTube editor or YouTube studio is also there. I haven't worked out on that, but iMovie I'm expert on that. So I think that's one of the best. But
So
if you are
for this, you are suggesting we should just download or take ready videos only and then design it like the way you have shown.
So as a Canva, that's what is possible. But for video editing, there are loads and loads of Vimeo is there and whatnot. There are hundreds of video editing software. But I haven't tried, so I'm not too expert on that. Yeah.
Can I share something over here?
Yeah, please.
So to her question. See, she wants a lot of photos to be made as a movie, right? Ask her to create a PowerPoint presentation and that presentation make it as a video. And that video she can upload.
Yeah, that can be done. Even YouTube has also come down with a video editing, okay, or called Studios Creator software within video. So it's still going into a lot of upgradation, but I think you can always try it on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you everyone. It was pleasure to see all of you over here. Looking forward for upcoming sessions. Thank you. So I close the meeting now. Thanks.